Good morning students. Today we start exercise 5.2 of chapter number 50. In this exercise we use the result an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this a is the first term and d is the common difference. D is the common difference and n is the number of terms. An is the last term or general term. In question number 1, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3, n is equal to 8. We are required to find an. In this, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 7, n is 8 and d is 3. This is 7 plus 7 into 3. 7 plus 21 equals to 28. So 28 is the nth term of this AP. In question number 2, A is minus 18, B is to be find, n is equal to 10, an is equal to 0. In this we use the result an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this question an is 0, a is minus 18, n is 10 and d is to be find. 0 plus 18 is equal to 18, 9d. So d is equal to 18 upon 9 which is equal to 2. So the common difference of this AP is 2. In question number 3, a is to be find, b is minus 3, n is 18 and an is minus 5. So the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where an is minus 5, a is to be find, n is 18 and b is minus 3. So this is minus 5, a plus 17 into minus 3, minus 5 equals to a minus 51, minus 5 plus 51 is equal to a, so a is 46. So 46 is the first term of AP. In fourth part, a is equal to minus 18.9, b is 2.5, n is required which is to be determined and an is 3.6. So the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 3.6, a is 18.9 and n is required, so d is 2.5. This becomes 18.9 equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. When we add this is 22.5 upon 2.5. n minus 1, this is 225 upon 25. n minus 1, 9. So n is 9 plus 1, 10. So in this AP, the number of terms are equals to be 10. In question number 5, the statement is a is equal to 3.5, b is equal to 0, n is equal to 105 and an is to be required to find. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. In this a is 3.5, n is 105 and d is 0. So this is equal to 0, this is 3.5. So 3.5 is the nth term of this AP. In question number 2, the statement is find the 30th term of the AP, 10, 7, 4, so on. In this AP, a is 10, common difference is a2 minus a1 which is 7 minus 10 minus 3. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d we are required to find the 30th term. So A is 10, 30 means 1 and B is means 3. So this is 10 plus 29 into 3. 10 means 87, means 77. So means 77 is the 30th term of the AP. In third question, find the 11th term of the AP. In this AP, A is means 3. Common difference is A2 means A1. Means half means 3. This is means half plus 3, 5.2. So A 11 is A plus 11 means 1 into D. So A is means 3 plus 10 into 5.2. This cancel out. This is equal to 22. So 22 is the 11th term of this AP. In question number 3, we are required to find the missing terms. In first question, the statement is 2 missing term and 26. This means we are required to find this term. For this, the first term is 2 and number of terms 1, 2, 3, and the last term is 26. So A3 is A plus 3 plus 1 into D. A3 is 26, A is 2 plus 2D. This is 24 equals to 2D, B is equal to 12. And the second term is A plus D, which is 2 plus 12 equals to 14. So 14 is the missing term of this AP. In second part, this is missing term 13, missing one 3. In this AP, we have A2 is equal to 13 and A4 is equal to 3. As we know, A2 is A plus D, so this is equal to 13, and A4 is A plus 3D, which is equal to 3. This is A plus 3D. Subtract second mass first. This is mass 10. A is cancel out 2D. So D is equal to mass 5. When we put the value of D in equation 1, we get the first term 18. So this is 18 and A3 is A plus 2D, which is 18 plus 2 into minus 5. This is equal to 8. So 18 and 8 are the missing terms of this AP. In the next question, question number 3, 5 missing term, missing and 19 by 2. So in this AP, A is equal to 5 and A4 is 19 by 2. So A4 is A plus 3D, 19 by 2, A is 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. 3D is equal to 19 by 2 means 5. So 3D is equal to 9 by 2 and D is 9.2 into 3, which is 3.2. So A2 is A plus D. This is 5 plus 3.2, 13 by 2. And A3 is A plus 2D, 5 plus 2 into 3.2, which is equal to 8. So 3 by 2 and 8 are the missing terms of this AP. In the next question, question number 4, means 4 missing term, missing term 6. In this AP, A is means 4 and we have number of terms are 6 and A6 is 6. As we know, AN is A plus N minus 1 into D, so A6 is A plus 5D. Value of A is minus 4, this becomes 10. So D is equals to 2. In this AP, A2 is A plus B, which is mains 4 plus 2 equals to mains 4, and A3 is A plus 2D, mains 4 plus 2 into 2, which is equal to 0. A4 is A plus 3D, mains 4 plus 3 into 2, which is equal to 2. A5 is A plus 4D, mains 4 plus 4 into 2, 8, which is equal to 4. So these are the missing terms. So solve up all these questions very carefully. If you have any problem, then ask me at any time. Thanks.